Hey, this is Josh with United Country Midwest Lifestyle Properties. Today we're out at N2535 State Road 162 in Bangor, Wisconsin. We are featuring this beautiful 2-bedroom, 2-bath main home sitting on 33.88 acres. Inside the main house, you're gonna find a beautiful country home setting featuring this great room behind me with beautiful natural fireplace, open concept kitchen and dining room, and a beautiful Four Seasons room overlooking the valley below, where you can entertain guests or simply come out and watch a little TV as you look over the valley. The atmosphere and peace and serenity that you'll experience at this property is second to none. As you can see behind me, there's a beautiful gazebo, a deck wrapped around the entire property, and the views and taking in of nature, again, is second to none. Let's go check it out. Imagine yourself coming out here for your morning coffee or an afternoon cocktail as you watch the nature come out of the woods into your beautiful setting around your home. One of the main features of this beautiful property is the 2-bedroom, 1-bath guest house that sits behind me. Here we're standing in the beautiful guest house featuring 2 full bedrooms, a full bathroom, loft area for the kids, and this beautiful living room and kitchen dinette. Outside you'll experience a full wraparound deck overlooking this 33.88 acres. Let's go check out this prime hunting land. Up here, just a short distance from the home, is this beautiful finished area where you can play croquet, family games, have a campfire, and just look over the beautiful earth that we sit upon. This property also features a very strategic and well laid out trail system and a network that'll connect all these blinds, tree stands, and have your deer and turkey coming by you at precise locations. This property sets up perfect for deer and turkey hunting with top access, and just check out some of these massive deer trails. Make sure to reach out to us today at 608-797-7230, and we look forward to showing you this beautiful property.